Hello and welcome to the second video in our PacMan video series. In this video, we're going to get PacMan moving, and it's a little bit complicated, so that's why this is called an intermediate series. It's a little bit more than the beginner series. So as with some of the other games I've made, we often start with the green flag, and in order to get moving, we use the arrow keys on the keyboard. That's one of my favorite things to do. So we're just going to get started with starting out the same way, where we use a when the green flag is clicked, a forever, and we need 4 ifs. You've probably already done this before with another video game if you've been through my series before, so I'm just going to make these exactly the same as before. Please make sure that you don't have an if inside, inside of an if. So this would be bad, where you've got an if inside of an if. Really want to make sure that they're all nice, neat, straight row. And then we need 4 of these key space pressed. As before, I'm going to use up, down, left, and right. If you want to use W, A, S, and D, you're more than welcome to. The diamond shape will fit into the diamond shape spot once it turns white. So you can just do that really quickly. And then we're going to change all these spaces. So I'm going to choose up, down, left, and right. And you can do them in any order. It really doesn't matter as long as you have all 4 of them. And then as before, remember that X goes left and right. So if we go back to our blue motion area and we get change X by, please don't get set X, because set X sets it to a specific point and then it's stuck at that point. We want change X to go with our left arrow and change X to go with our right arrow. And then 2 down from that is change Y. So that's our up and down. So change Y, up and down. And then please recall that we need negative numbers for down. So instead of the positive 10 that's there, we're going to type in minus 10. And for the left arrow, we're also going to do the same thing. So you can double click on that, type in minus 10. And now when you drag all of this back inside the forever, so we've got it nice and neat, I'm just going to put that back at the top of the screen. Now when I click the green flag, we sort of get what we want. So you can see the chomping is still working. It's moving right, it moves left, it moves up, and it moves down. But the animated character doesn't change to make sense. Like the mouth is not quite right way. If you've ever seen Pac-Man, Pac-Man is always kind of facing whichever way that they're going, and they're always chomping in that direction. So we're going to do that now. So just above the change X, 2 above it, it says point in direction, and there's a 90. And so we're going to want for each of our situations, before we do the change X or change Y, we're going to want a point in direction. So I'm going to go ahead and add all 4 of those. And then for the up arrow, that's an easy one. So I'm just going to click on the 90 and make it go up. For the down arrow, I'm going to click on the 90 and make it go down. And then for the left, I'm going to click on the left and make it go this way. Now, this is not going to work right, but it's a good start, and it's an important start. So we're going to go ahead and click the green flag to test it. You'll see the chomper starts working. If I go right, the chomper's working great. If I go up, the chomper's working great. If I go down, the chomper's working great. And if I go left, I'm upside down. So points for effort, we're like 90% of the way there, but now we need to fix the whole upside down while we're going left thing. So for that, we're going to go down to near the bottom of the blue motion area. It says set rotation style left, right. And so if we put that first in the left arrow key pressed area, so set rotation style, then point in direction, then change X by -10. Now if I click to go right and left, now that's much better. That's much better. Okay. Now the problem now is we've solved the left and right chomping problem, but now when I go to click up, it doesn't chomp up and down, and that's really disappointing. So what's the quick and easy fix for that? Well, that's very simple, is that the set rotation style, I'll just pull this out here to make it really easy to see. Set rotation style, if you click on that, it has 3 choices to go with it. Left and right was good for left and right. Don't rotate is not what we're looking for. And then all around is what we're looking for. And I'm just going to duplicate that really quickly just so I have 2 of them. So before we do the up arrow, before we point in direction, I'm now going to set rotation style all around, then point in direction up. It's up, and then change Y. And I'm going to do the same thing with down. So I'm going to grab this and put it at the very top. So set rotation style, point in direction, and then change Y. And now I'm going to click the green flag. Let's see. So I go right, it goes right. I go left, it goes left. I go up, it chomps up, and I go down, it chomps down. Success. Okay, so that's super fast. I'm just click save now because I see it there. That is, you now have a chomping working Pac-Man going in all four directions. Awesome. That's success for this video. We're going to save the rest of it for next video. Thanks for joining.